Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own text overlay on CapCut PC. So you're going to basically go to text and add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in the break prints. There we go. And I'm also going to change the font as well. Okay, so the next process is kind of it's very tedious, but you are going to basically copy and paste it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for me because I have 6 words, but if you have more, you can copy and paste more of it, like so. On the first one, I'm just going to select, I actually need to add a glow first before everything else, just because, maybe after it. Sorry. I'm going to adjust it like this first. So the text shows up like one by one. You'll see what I mean later. Like that. And on the first one, you're going to select the last 6 words and adjust it so it matches the background color. And you're going to do it to all of them, just like select the last few words. So it goes from like last 5 words, last 4 words, last 3 words, and then you're going to go like last 2 words and stuff like that. Let me just see. Okay. Last 2 words. Last 1 word. I think I copied one too many. Let's just review this first. There you go. Yeah, I pasted too much. I'm just going to make them a little bit closer to each other. And then you can add the glow from text, but it will have an outline on the one that is the same color as the background. So I just go to effects and go to video effects and go to lens, and I usually just add an edge glow to that. And you can adjust the glow here. Then I'm also going to export it first and press export. And I'm going to add that to the timeline to overlay it. Just delete everything and add in your video and add that overlay in. Go to blend mode and choose brighten or screen. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. I also forgot that you can also add in an animation to it, like this combo one. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye!